this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Assi. I think it's probably Assi. And it's spicy seafood noodle bowl. There it is. This is a microwavable variety. And so, what's the story? You put in everything except for this one you put in at the end. Okay. So it is 3:15 p.m. My wife started her new job today. I'm really excited for her. It sounds like it's going to be a really good fit. I'm really happy and proud. So, big up to my lady. And I just spent a bunch of time walking around and doing junk and trying to get as much done in a single day as I humanly can. And yeah. And now I decided, well, I'm going to see if I can crank out 3 reviews in less than an hour. So I think I can do it. I think I can pull it off. But yeah, the bus comes shortly. So today it's a weird week. This is what do you call it? Conference week for the kiddos. And we thought that today was a conference day, and it is not. Conference days, they go from like 9:30 to 12:40. It's like a ridiculously short day of school. It's like, why not just make one of the days where they just have the day off? I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Let's add some hot water. Line. Just to be safe, I'm putting down a paper plate. And what is it? 700 watts for 4 minutes? That's what it was. This sounds like it's kind of like a jambon. I guess we'll see. We've got 700 for 3. Okay. I'm gonna go with 3 minutes. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. I don't know. It's a 1250 watt microwave, as you well know, because you're keeping tabs on that. And yeah. So we'll see. I just went out and I walked over 11 miles. It's the longest walk I've done in one day in quite a while. It was nice. And yeah. Good stuff. I now have less time than I did. Yeah, I'm beat. And my legs are pretty sore. So are my feet. But I like that. It's like a productive pain. I'm into productive pain, not unproductive. 2 minutes, are we boiling? No? I just don't want this sucker to explode. Louise, our pet pug, is rather irritated that I'm doing this, but we'll have kids home soon, dog. She's unhappy over there. A lot easier to deal with than a 40 or 50 pound black lab that doesn't listen. A more manageable animal. thing. I just don't want this sucker to explode all over the microwave, you know what I'm saying? It really doesn't need to do all that much cooking because it's one of those shelf-stable fresh blocks. So it really, it's funny, it said in cold water it'll take 7 minutes. It's like, but if you add hot water, it'll only take 3. We'll see what happens. It's got 42 minutes left, or seconds. 42 minutes to do something. And they got a half a minute left. So yeah, a good day, I would say. Alright. Coming into a landing right about now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alright. Oh yeah, that's hot as... hot as can be. So there we are. Oh yeah, that worked out pretty well. The noodle block needs a little bit of teasing out, but other than that, it is done, done, done. It's fun. It's just really kind of funny what it's calling for on the cooking instruction. But whatever. Louise, behave yourself over there. Little Wheezy. She's a good dog most of the time. So it's November 13th. A good day. Okay, there's that. We're going to add in the hot pepper. Why they want you to add this at the end instead of during the cook cycle, I really couldn't tell you. It's just pepper powder. I don't think it's going to make it any difference whether it went in with or outside. Or I just don't know. But all right, here we are. Let's give it a try. Shelf stable fresh. Definitely a jjampong thing going on here. There's your broth. It's good. That is an excellent jjampong. I find that to my liking, 100%. It does have a little slight bitter back. It's the pepper powder. I can pretty much guarantee that, but that's not a bad or unexpected phenomena. A little bit of included veg is nothing to write home about, but really not bad. What are we throwing in here? Spring onion. Hopefully these are still good. They should be. Yeah, they're fine. Cool, I might get an extra couple days out of these. Some mung bean sprout and a slice of I'm just gonna use the scissors on this. Narutomaki, and a pinch of sesame seed. I think that's good enough. Not going to go too overboard on this. No, we're going to let Rotator do its thing while I get ready to do the next one. All right, 3:25 p.m. Doing good. Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is one that I got out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenerator for a discount. This is Table Mark, a brand that I used to seek out and I never found much of. But their stuff's pretty good. This is their Homaron Ken Shoyu? Miso. This is a miso. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramenerator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye.